Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you around voucher rule of or voucher changing rule of Tally integration. So while doing Tally integration, you notice that the voucher number which is currently flowing in Tally is not as per your requirement. It is taking a default voucher number, and you want to make changes in it. Like you want document number or invoice number to be sent in Tally as per the voucher number. So how you can make the changes? For that, you need to go in Tally integration module. So on your left hand side here, you will see Tally integration. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in Tally integration, you need to go in Tally rules option. Once you will go in Tally rules, you will be on Tally ledger rule. So from Tally rule, please select Tally general rules. Once you will come in Tally general rules, these are all the rules defined. So currently we do have like 55 type of rules available. So here you need to go ahead and just search for purchase voucher number, or you can search for sales voucher number as well, or you can simply search for voucher number and it will provide you all the list. Now here is the purchase voucher number. So currently it is as per input value, so it is by default. How we can make the changes? Select this particular rule and click on edit general rule on your right hand side. Now here you can make the changes. So if you want it as per the invoice or you want it as per the invert, just make the selection and click on save. So once you will select it, please check it have been changed. So now once you will generate the Tally report, the voucher number will come as per the invoice number. Same you can make in sales voucher number. You can just simply type it here and accordingly it will come. Please check here also it is as per the input value. So I can select it and I will make the changes. I required it, the invoice number in this. I will click on save and accordingly the changes made. Do remember that after making the changes, you need to generate a new report again in order to reflect it. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while making changes in Tally rule. Have a good day ahead.